Hello everyone, once again we are back with another model, and this model is going to be our exercise number 4. So let's just understand this model, how to do this, and then we'll go to the software to start this model. So first of all, orthographic views are given as well as an isometric view is there, so we can understand this model pretty well. As we can see, this one is my top view, this one is my front view, and this one is my side view. So as per my knowledge, we can start from the top view itself. We can create this slot first and we can proceed for the other portions of the model. So let's create this slot first, and then we will think about other things. So let's go to the software. Now here we will press Ctrl N and we will go inside part modeling. Once we go inside part modeling, then we can see the sketch tab is here. Simply click over it and then you have to select sketch here to initiate a new sketch. Click over sketch. Once you click over sketch, now as we know that we want to draw in the top plane, so we will select top plane here. Once you select top plane, it will come back to your normal position, and here I will start drawing. So as we know that we are going to create the slot. So to create the slot entity, in the sketch entities I can find these options called straight slot, center point straight slot, 3-point arc slot. So variety of slots are available, but here I want to take straight slot. So simply select straight slot, and after selecting straight slot I can start drawing it in the center of the screen like this and press OK. After drawing it, now it's time to apply the dimensions. So let's just check what are the dimensions given. Let's zoom the screen a bit so that we can study the drawing. So this is 56 of length, and radius is given R18. So let's do that. So go to Smart Dimension tool and apply this 56, and this is R16. After that, I want to make it in the center of the origin. So simply drag the center point of the slot and put it in the origin, and it will be fully defined. What next? Next, there are two different circles available, and the diameter of the circle is 16. So let's just create those two circles first. So to create the circle, again I will go to the sketch entities, and here I can choose the circle. After choosing the circle, I will create them in the appropriate position like this, and then go to Smart Dimension and apply the diametrical value. So the diametrical value is given 16, so I can apply like this, and the diameter of the second circle is same as of this one. So here I can apply an geometrical relation. So simply select them together, and here you can choose equal. So once the slot entity is done, simply exit from the sketch. And now we have to see what is the extrusion height of this slot. So the height of extrusion height of the slot I can see in the front view, it is 8 mm. So let's extrude it up to 8 mm. Go to feature tab. In feature tab, here we can find extrude command. Extruded boss base, it will add material. So simply select the option. So once you select the option, it will automatically add height, and here you have to define the height value, that is 8 mm, and OK. So now we can see the slot is ready. The next task, we will create this wall like structure. So what is the height of this wall? We can see here from this point to this point, it is 32, and the width of the wall will be 10 mm. Here it is given in the top view, right? So 32 of height and 10 mm of extrusion will be there. So let's go to the software once again, and we will choose this backside face. So go to sketch, select this face, and here I will create a rectangle. Take corner rectangle, start from here, go to dimensions. This value is given, this value from this point to this point, it is 40 mm. So here we can apply 40, and the height is given 32. Still it is not defined, it should be fully defined. So one thing I can do here, I can apply the distance from center to this extreme edge, half of 40, that is 20, and it will be defined. Once you complete this, simply exit from the sketch. And now we will extrude this particular sketch up to 10 mm of height in the opposite direction. So here we can flip the direction and it will be done like this. So let's go back to the sketch again. So we have created this portion. The next task is to create the top portion of the sketch. So first of all, there are two different circles of 20 and 32 diameters. So let's first create them. So again, go back to software, go to sketch, select this top face, and here I will create two different circles, circle 1, circle 2, and give them the diameter value. This is 20 and the outer circle will be 32. Now there is a distance from the center to the origin, or from the center to this edge there is a distance, and the distance value is given 32. So let's go back to the software and apply 32 mm length. To make it fully defined, simply click over the center point of the circle and origin and then make it vertical. After that, again take line, start from here and draw a line like this and make this line tangent with the circle. Same goes for the other side as well. Again start from here, make it a close boundary and make this line tangent with the circle. After that, we can do the trimming activity. Go to trim entities and simply remove unwanted areas like this. So let us keep the circle as well so that we can use it for further extrusion. So let us keep it as well. So as we can see, it is fully defined. We can exit from the sketch. Now we can go for extrude command. So go to feature, here choose extrude, and now first we will extrude this portion and it will be extruded downward, and the extrusion height is given at this particular view. This will be of 10 mm of height, and the circular portion is of total 20 mm of height. So let's flip the side, and 10 mm is already there, and simply press OK. Now again go back to the same sketch, select the sketch, go to extrude, and now select this circular portion, and here we will use direction 2 of extrusion as well, and in direction 2 also it will go 10 mm, and in direction 1 it is already 10 mm. So total it will go up to 20 mm of height, as we can see in the side view. So now we can press OK. So we have almost completed the model. The last thing that remains is this rib. This rib like structure we have to create. So it is very easy to create a rib in the SolidWorks software. So let's see what is the procedure of creating it. First of all, choose a plane which is in the middle of the model. The right plane is there, and then go to sketch. Here you could just create an open profile. A single line will be there, and it should coincide these edge points properly so that we can get a perfect rib. Once you create the line, simply exit from the sketch, and here in the features tab we have a rib option present. Simply click over it, and we can see the yellow lines are denoting the material sides. So it is perfectly distributed in both the side of the profile. No issue with that. Only I have to flip the material side. The direction is coming outward. It should be inside or it should be inward. So simply click over it to flip the material direction. After that, we have to give the material thickness. So what is the thickness of this rib? It is given 12 mm, as we can see in the front view. So let's apply 12 mm here, and after that simply press OK. So as we can see, I think the model is almost I think completed. All the portions of the model has been done. Last thing remains is the appearance. So we can go to the appearance section. Here you go to appearance, select any type of appearance you want to apply. Let me take this blue color and put it on the model, and this model is completed. I hope today's session helped you to understand this model, and it will guide you to learn the software even more effectively. And if you do like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of queries, you can write down in the comment section below. Keep watching, keep supporting. We will come with a lot of more interesting videos for all of you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next session.